Okay, we're gonna try again. Okay, so we've got the sink just about done, functional right now. Just gonna put a little brick layer right there. I'm gonna fill in the holes with sanded grout, colored red, and then epoxy that. We've got our sink that drains really good. And we've got I got like, I think maybe about 2 gallons I could fill up with water if I needed to. That stopper actually works. Got our handle. Turns out good. Okay, let's see. Now what I'm going to do is go that. Okay, again, this was my fix, so that because this sink doesn't have a drain or the overflow like most sinks do. So I'm just going to take a video of this. This is really for me to see if I can see any leaks. Guess I really should have the water on. Okay.